Greetings, folks. It's Patrick Major here with How to Earn Income Online. One mission, one goal. Just showing you that I'm finishing up my surfing on Infinity Traffic Boost. I have now it's going to be 16 pages left. Show you how simple it is, although it takes about an hour to get done. I am up to 120 pages right now, waiting on the page to reload and give me a new one. And of course, because I'm on camera recording, it decides it wants to take its sweet time. It figures. Well, there we go. And this is a captcha you have to solve. This one, they want you to do it with the cars. I don't know if that's going to get me through or not. That's what I thought. There we go. And there's one more bus. All right, now off we go. Surfing the pages. And when you do the Infinity Traffic Boost, I'm sure a lot of you have seen the advertisements that says if you surf 100 pages, you can make 64 to 67,000. All depends on what Bitcoin price is. This is the site that allows you to do that. Okay. And I only have a few more to go, but we're gonna just get it done. So you can see that I'm actually completing the surfing. I've been lazy the past couple of weeks, but actually the site's been kind of laggy as well. So some days I'll only do 10 because I didn't like how badly the site was functioning. But today it's working very well. And we just let the counter count down to 0. Click the color that it says to do to make sure that I'm not a bot. And we get another add to view. Okay, the one thing that's great about Infinity Traffic Boost is that they make sure that bots are not using the system to game the system. I'm a real person and I'm viewing the ads. You have to click on that color that it tells you to click. Otherwise, I guess if you do it wrong too many times, it's going to shut your account down. And anything that you've earned and accrued, you won't have access to. Which is a good thing, because there are a lot of people out there, I don't know why they do it. They try to game the systems and do the work without actually being there so they can get more done and earn more. But you hurt the people that do it the honest way. And it makes it really bad for those that really try to do it the right way, which is why they have all these things in place now. You see, I'm almost there. Just 10 more pages to go. And it's going to tell me that I am done. But I want you all to see that I'm actually doing my work. I start when their server time switches over. For me, it's 11 p.m. and that's when their server time switches over and you can start surfing. I want to get this over with at night so I don't have to do it in the morning when I get up, because this takes about an hour to complete. And I can do other things with that hour in the morning other than surfing. I normally would surf other sites as well, but my screen recorder's on my other screen, so I'm not doing the other sites. This is not a bicycle, that's a trike. But let's see what it says, because it has 3 wheels. Okay, it took it. And just 8 more pages to go. And you can see how easy this is. And over a year's time, if you surf 100 pages daily, you can earn 1 Bitcoin, or about, depending upon what the price ends up being, 64 to 67,000. I thought I saw earlier that Bitcoin crossed $70,000. I'm not sure if that's true or not. And when I'm done, I'll show you how you can set it up so you automatically upgrade to the next level without having to spend money out of your pocket. And let's see, we're almost done. And when you're surfing, folks, you'll see a lot of enticing advertisements that tell you you can make money without doing or selling or recruiting, but that's just not true. You actually have to put in work and promote and recruit depending upon which programs you're promoting. You can't just get a link and not do anything with it. You have to set it out there and put it out there so the people will know it exists, and you may get signups for your programs. But this is a great site on which to advertise because they have real people who view the ads, and you will get signups for them. I've gotten signups for several programs that I promote. At my level right now, I can have 2 ads without having to pay for additional spots. When you first start here on Infinity Traffic Boost, if I'm not mistaken, you can put 1 ad. It's been a while since I've been at that level, so I don't really remember. And we're almost there. After this, just 1 more. And again, it's acting up because it knows it's on camera. It's doing it on purpose. And we're almost finished, so of course it has to act up. There we go. The next time you'll see that it's gonna be complete and it's gonna ask for CAPTCHA verification, and I'll have to sign in again, but that's because the total amount of pages that can be surfed will be reached if it ever loads. Here we go. Okay, crashing in. Let's see. The Z712 money system. That's new. Alright, as you can see, I have 119 pages. When I click the green button, it's going to give me 120. You receive a surfer's reward pool share. You get a pool share for every 10 pages you surf. Okay. And as I said, you have to solve the CAPTCHA. Bridges. I only see 3. They give sometimes crappy pictures and it's hard to make them out, but I got lucky that time it worked. And as I said, you'll have to sign in again, and they want me to do another one. All right, so those are the only ones I see. I'll log in, and as you can see, ta-da! I've reached the maximum number of pages to surf per day. Okay, and as I said, I'll show you how you can set your account up so it automatically upgrades you. You'll click on financial here like I did, and then you'll click on wallet, and here on wallet what you'll want to do is they changed it. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Coin payments wise, let's see, your IBT wallet. That's not what I want. it's going to go here. I'm sorry, you don't click on wallet, you click on earnings. It's been a while since I've been here. Okay, and to automatically upgrade your account, you'll scroll down here and click on use earnings to purchase TPOs your way up. Okay, and then from there, once you do, you'll click on email security pin, and they'll send a security pin to your email, and you'll input that pin here, just copy and paste it, and then you'll save your settings, and it'll automatically upgrade your account when you reach the amount required. And that's it, folks. As I said, you can see I've done my 120, and I am done. And you can see the number of pool shares that I earn. You get 10 for you get a share for every 10 pages you serve. So I did 120 pages, so that gives me 12 shares. Okay, and yesterday the thing wasn't working well, so I only got to like 50 pages. It was really slow. But that's it, folks. I do thank you very much for viewing. Everyone have themselves a great and prosperous day or evening.